Hello everybody, Alberto here. Today our OvenPlus will help us to make the perfect hamburger. I prepared some minced beef and now we're gonna make the hamburger in the proper way. We just pat it nicely and then we create this size we like, in this way. Once it's done, we just season it with some salt as usual and a little pepper. So the temperature is nearly ready, so we go and put it inside here. Another here. And this one we put it back for 3 minutes. At the same time we can get ready with the bread and we use the upper part. Now we check the bread, which smells already nice. We cut the ingredients, which are some tomato, then the onions, and then we prepare some of our salad. We just get a very nice crispy leaf from the inside part. At this moment our bread should be ready, so we go and pick it up. You see, nice, it's crispy and then with a nice color, just perfect. And now we wait for our hamburger to be ready. 3 minutes has passed, so we go and check our hamburger. They look gorgeous. Now we flip it on the other side and we carry on cooking for the same time, 3 minutes. And then back we go for 3 more minutes. Our time is up and now we go and check the hamburger. Wow, they really look good. Yes, one good suggestion would be, if you think they are not cooked enough, you can still carry on for 1 more minute on 2 sides and then will be cooked even more, because not everybody like too juicy or too rare. We prepare the bread now and we just put some little salad. And then we put the tomatoes in this way. And then we check our hamburger and we add the cheese. Now the hamburger is really thickly cooked. When the cheese is melted, we just complete our hamburger, putting on top and adding some onions. And then the hamburger is ready. And here the cheese is nicely melted and our hamburger is nearly ready. Here we go and collect it. We place it on top of the bread, nicely prepared. Final touch, a little tomato ketchup. And then your masterpiece hamburger will be ready. Thanks to OvenPlus, everybody can become a professional chef and enjoy a beautiful meal.